Kelsey and Kendra, and today we're going to be doing a video that has been requested for quite some time, and we're basically going to be sharing with you all of our favorite curly hair combos, aka our favorite wash and go combos. So all of the products we like to mix and match that make for the best wash and goes for us. I will leave our hair type in the title of this video so you guys can know what our hair type is, so you can kind of gauge what products may work for you that we mentioned or which products won't. Most products that are meant to go together don't always work together. So even though we've tried a lot of curly hair lines, all the products have not worked amazing on our hair. So we're very selective when it comes to products. So this should be very helpful for the picky natural girls out there who don't really like most stylers. And this is also helpful for people who don't know what to put together that may work. That's true. Because sometimes when you're like in the aisle at Target, you're like, I don't know what to put together. So hopefully this video helps you out. So the first combo, I actually don't have the products with me here today because I ran out of both products. So it's just two products. And you guys have seen me use this in my most recent curly hair routine, and it is the My Black is Beautiful Tangle Slayer leave-in conditioner. It's like a detangler and a conditioner. I love dual purpose products. That stuff smells amazing, first of all, but it works amazing as well. They have different ones for different hair types. I like to use the type 3 or the type 4. The type 3 one is a little bit more lightweight. So if you have a lot of shrinkage, you might prefer the type 4 one. But again, I love both of them. They work amazing. So I like to put that on my hair first. And to pair with it, I like to use the Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. So most curl primers you're supposed to apply before the rest of your products, but I like to use this one after that Tangle Slayer because, like I said, the Tangle Slayer is a little bit more watery and lightweight, and the curl primer is a little bit more thick and more tacky as well. So they work amazing together on my hair. I get a nice amount of hold, and my hair is super soft when it dries as well, and it lasts a really long time. That Make It Last line from Shea Moisture is actually really amazing, and my hair always lasts longer than 7 days, surprisingly, and that hardly ever happens for me. So that combo is top notch. Okay, so my next combo I actually have here, even though this is completely empty. So I actually have this in my hair right now. This product I've used before, but this one is a newer try. But I like to combine this curling jelly with the KeraCare leave-in conditioner. So this I get off Amazon. This you can get from Sally's or off Amazon. But this is a really nice detangling leave-in conditioner. It has a lot of slip. So it's not a super thick like moisturizer. It's more of a like very watery, liquidy type product. So if you like a lightweight leave-in conditioner, you would love this. The only thing is I have to apply quite a bit of this because when I do my wash and goes, I like to apply more of the leave-in than the styler, because it used to be where I would apply a lot of leave-in and a lot of the styler. But for my results that I like nowadays, I like more of a fluffier curl, something more effortless. I apply less of the styler. So I'll apply this in a lot of sections, and then this I'll just do in like 4 sections, like the whole entire section. But the leave-in, I highly recommend applying in smaller sections just because your hair is going to be more hydrated and nourished. I just feel better when I put more of the leave-in in. But this is really, really nice if you're more of like a liquidy, like lightweight cream, but not super thick moisturizer. So, because at first when I got this, I thought it was going to be like a thicker moisturizer, but it's not. It's very lightweight, has a lot of slip. I was curious to see how the KeraCare Curl Essence line worked, but the product that caught my attention the most was this moisturizing curling jelly with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. This is for types 3 and 4 natural hair. So this is a jelly, and for me, I'm really picky when it comes to gels just because most of them just make my hair really crunchy and they don't always define it as much as I would like. But this one worked really, really well. I did use quite a bit of it. It smells really nice, really sweet, kind of like most jellies. I feel like most gels have like a sweet smell or really clean. So this product is really, really nice. Even though it says moisturizing curling jelly, it's actually a more strong hold than another product that I'm going to mention. So this strong hold combines really well with this. I thought this would be soft when it says moisturizing, so I thought it was going to dry really soft, but it's not. It doesn't dry soft. So
it dries more crunchy.
Yeah, it dries more hard.
Got it.
So keep that in mind if you want to try this one. Don't let the name fool you, because it kind of fooled me because I thought it would be more, you know, moisturizing. So keep that in mind.
So speaking of KeraCare, we have the exact same combo next, and this is
the exact same leave-in conditioner that Kendra just mentioned. I love, love, love this. Like she said, it's really lightweight, has great slip. We both like to pair it with the Clear Protein Styling Gel, and Kendra put me onto this gel. Yes. She had went through so many jars of this stuff by the time I actually tried it, and I must say I'm obsessed with it. And I like that it's a protein gel, so it's strengthening your hair as you're styling. Love dual purpose products. Yes. But I like that this is also not very crunchy. This actually dries kind of soft. So this, I was going to mention that this dries a lot softer than the Curl Essence one by them. Very interesting. So I thought that was interesting because this says moisturizing, but this one is actually a lot softer of a hold. And I love the smell. Smells really clean. It kind of has like that old school protein gel smell. Not as strong though. Not as strong. Like, cause not like alcohol. I was going to say some of those smell way too alcohol induced. Yeah. I love how my hair dries with this. It dries a lot softer than I expected when I first tried it. And like I said, it pairs amazing with the leave-in conditioner. What I love about this is that it clumps the curls together beautifully. Amazingly. Yes. Like, when you start like smoothing it in the hair, you can already see like your curls looking more defined. Yes. And that's a good sign when you're doing your wash and go. The more your curls clump together, the more bouncy your curls are going to be once they dry. So that's a really good sign. Of course, more defined. Yes. So that's a really good sign while you're putting your product on wet hair. Okay, so next I have a combo that I use quite a lot. Again, I don't have one of the products here. I'm so heavy-handed, I go through products so fast. But the first one is my Multicultural Curls from Miss Jessie's. And I go through so many bottles of this because it's so lightweight, but I love it because it's a great detangler and it gives my hair definition as well. So I'll use this by itself a lot, but I love this also with my curl primer from Shea Moisture that I just mentioned that I like to use with the Tangle Slayer. So those two work amazing together. So I'll apply this first and then I'll apply the curl primer from Shea Moisture. They work so good together and my hair lasts a really long time. Y'all gonna see me mention this again throughout this video because the Multicultural Curls is just, my hair just loves it so much, it drinks it up in a good way. And I love it because I can use it with a ton of different other products. So if you like lotions, I highly recommend trying the Multicultural Curls because it mixes well with other products. Because some products that I have, like some of my lotions or leave-ins, they only mix well with like one thing. So I can't really mix and match it with that many other products, but this is really easy to work with. Okay, next combo, again with the Multicultural Curls. Love this. So I like to apply this first and then I like to go in with my Jessie Curl Gel. Y'all know this is one of my favorite gels. This is the Spiralicious styling gel. I'm obsessed with this gel because it doesn't leave my hair too crunchy and it weighs my hair down in a good way. So this works really well if you have some shrinkage. And I like that it comes in a nice pump because I use a lot of this. Most gels, I try not to use too much of them, but this one I feel like I can put like a ton in my hair and it doesn't make my hair dry. Because if you look closely at the actual gel, it has like a conditioner mixed in with it, which makes it not as dry as your average gel. So I also love that about it as well. So I've tried this by itself as well, but I prefer it with my Multicultural Curls. I actually used it in a log method, like I did leave-in oil gel. So it also works really good with that. It doesn't really matter with oil, whatever oil you like. Jamaican black castor oil is really good with this combo. So obsessed with these together. Okay, so the next one is probably one of my all-time favorites that I will forever use just because it's consistent, never fails me, and it's just like a nice balanced routine that has everything in it. The products are by Camille Rose, and if you guys have been watching our channel for quite some time, you know how much I love these products. I have tried other stylists from her line, but these are without a doubt my go-to. So I love the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, and I love to pair it with the Curl Maker. So this is her Defining Jelly. So these together are amazing. So I would purchase these products no matter how much they were because we all know curly hair products can get expensive. But I go through these super fast and I still don't mind repurchasing them just because they've done so many great things for my hair. This Moisture Milk, this Curl Love, has the perfect name because I feel like it gives my curls all the love that they need. And this is probably the most moisturizing leave-in that I own. Out of all the leave-ins that I use, this one my hair feels the most nourished every time I use it because it has some nice oils in it. It has like a nice light vanilla smell. Keep in mind, if you have very fine hair, I probably would not recommend this just because it can be quite heavy if you have like thinner hair. If you do like extra moisturizing products, just use a lighter hand. But this is really nice for people with very dry hair and people who have a lot of hair. So this is a really good product. Again, these are not cheap, but they're so worth it. The defining jelly I love because it has a really nice slip, but it doesn't dry really hard. It has a nice hold, but it's not like super hard. It's kind of like in the middle. So it's not soft and it's not super light. It's kind of a medium hold, which I really like. And again, it has a nice soft sweet smell. So if you guys are looking for a nice moisturizing combo, you need this in your life. Also, you get a really long wash and go out of this one, and my hair lasts about 8 days with this. If I allow it to, you know, go past the 5-day mark, I can with these. Okay, so my next wash and go combo is for my girls who like a nice soft fluffy wash and go, but I'm gonna tell y'all this do not last 7 days. It lasts about 3 days, but it is the Whole Blends Conditioner Legendary Olive with the Legendary Olive leave-in conditioner. So the rinse out conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, they work so nice together. I love how soft my hair is when I use these together, and they're super inexpensive. So if you want a budget, I highly recommend giving these a try. And like I said, my hair turns out super soft and fluffy with these, but that is also like the negative and the positive, because those kind of wash and goes don't last long on me. So by the 4th day, my hair kind of look a mess and I need to co-wash it again. But like the first 2 days of it, my hair just looks perfect, bouncy, soft, and luscious. I highly recommend giving these a try if you like that look. But if you like that look, you probably already know that it doesn't last 7 days. At least mine don't. That's true. So yeah. Okay, back with the multicultural curls again. I know you're probably like, Kelsey, is it really that good? I like it for me. I'm not gonna make any promises to y'all, but I like it for me. So I'm also obsessed with using this with my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. Y'all know Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner is an OG product here on YouTube, and I've been using it ever since. And I love it with this specifically because you get amazing hold. Because Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner is not your typical leave-in conditioner. It's a styler. It's a styler. So a dual purpose product again, so it's great if you're in a rush. It's great also for a one product wash and go. But I like it with this because this is like a really good base for me. Like I said, it detangles so well for my hair because my hair is getting super tangly. It's probably because I need a haircut. But this first and then the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, y'all, my hair lasts a good 7 days. And it's super shiny and defined, and I don't really have to pick or choose which one I prefer when I'm using these two together. Your hair is shiny, moisturized, and defined. So, love this combo. Okay, so the next combo is also an OG of mine, but I stay consistent. If it ain't broke, I'm not trying to fix it because I hate air drying my hair. The next one is the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In Detangler with the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. So this product was probably one of the first ever like gels and leave-in detanglers that were meant for curly hair that I've ever used when I could not afford these. I tried these out, and I remember at the time we were working retail and I was saving up just to buy these because at the time they just felt like they was like $100 because that's how broke I was. But I just had to try them because I wanted to see how my curls would react to them, and I remember my curls were so defined when I first tried these, and at the time I was still transitioning. So if you're transitioning, try these out just to see if your curls start to form. And this detangler is the truth. Let me tell y'all, when you transitioning, detangling is hell. Yes. Like your hair, like one part feel real soft and like, you know, healthy, and then the other part still struggling. That's the journey, I'm telling you. But these worked really, really well for me, and ever since then I just kept using them when it was like a special occasion. Now I'm blessed, so I can use these pretty much every other wash and go now. So these do last a while though, so every time I do this wash and go I can kind of stretch it. So try these if you're looking for a strong hold. This gel is a very strong hold, so it's nothing like the curl maker from Camille Rose. This is like very crunchy, heavy duty. So this is more for like my summer wash and goes. I typically don't pick this up if I'm wearing my curls when it's cold out like now. I typically don't pick this up in the winter months, but for the summer, this will be getting used. Love it. Okay, so the very last combo we both love, and they are from As I Am, and it's the double buttercream and their curling jelly. Neither one of us have the products here with us because we used them all up. And this combo is probably the most used between the both of us because we're very different when it comes to products and the types of products that we like to use on our hair. They work well on both of us. Because I'm more of a gel girl, Kelsey's more of a lotion type person, and like I love
conditioner
creams.
stylers.
Yeah, I like creams too.
Yeah, she likes creams more than I do, but this combo works really well for both of us. So the double buttercream is a very thick leave-in conditioner.
It's amazing. Probably one of the creamiest creams I've used before.
Very nourishing.
Like it's super nourishing. You just feel like you're putting a lot of nutrients into your hair, and it's really good for shrinkage. It really helped me a ton with my shrinkage. And if you have a lot of shrinkage, as I am, it's definitely a really good brand for you to try out. And paired with the curling jelly, I just feel like it just tops it off perfectly. They work beautifully together. And that jelly is very like slippery. It's a very like slimy jelly, but it's very moisturizing. So this one dries a lot softer. Than a lot of gels. It kind of reminds me, like the texture kind of reminds me of the Camille Rose gel. It does. A little bit, but it's even more like slippery. Yes, it is. So it just glides through your hair like silk. It's amazing. And by the way, this is probably my favorite packaging. Just because I just like the easy, you can just get to the product easier. Oh yeah, that's true. Because most bottles, I be trying to like cut them open because I like to get my money's worth. Or put it upside down. Yeah. Yes. So I like a jar too. And both of these products have coconut oil. I know some people don't really like coconut oil for their hair, but these contain a lot of coconut oil, but coconut oil works well for our hair. And I actually like this wash and go year round. So this works spring, summer, fall, whenever. Okay guys, so that wraps up our curly hair combos. Let us know if you use these same products that we do and if you've been using them for a long time. Let us know if you're going to try anything out. All the products will be linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything. Yeah, that's it. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and we will see you guys in the next one.